guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jinal over here and I welcome you to my channel. And yes, by the title you guys must be knowing that what this video is all about. But before we start the video, if you're new over here and if you don't know me, then hi guys, I'm Jinal. I make videos on cabin crew lifestyle and the healthy recipes to get this flawless glowing skin, and one of my videos also viral of the turmeric milk, or you can also call it as a magical drink. The link is there in the description box, so do get there and check the video out for the amazing results on your skin. So yes, without further ado, let's get straight to the video and let's see what the whole thing is all about. So I have been thinking about this for such a long time that I want to start something of my own. Like, I want to be my own boss now. I want to do something really nice and which can be helpful for others also, not only for me but for the others also. So here I am. I have started my very own My Cabin Crew Coach. Yes, you heard it right. Yes, you heard it right. My Cabin Crew Coach is a Instagram page where you can follow me and you will get regular updates regarding the cabin crew jobs. And so yes, I have started my very own my dream project named as My Cabin Crew Coach. Yes, you heard it right. My Cabin Crew Coach will be helpful to you in so many ways that you cannot imagine. You will get a lot of updates on my page. You will also enroll. You can also enroll in my page in my course. Like, it will be a full 1 month course and it will be a daily classes, like online classes, whether it be a Google Meet or a Zoom Meet or any kind of online meet where we will be having our own session. And yes, there will be only 10 candidates per course, like per batch, because I don't want to make it like a classroom where I just teach and you only just listen and go back to your own home. So yes, I will be having only 10 people, 10 candidates per batch, and there will be different batches. So you can enroll according to your timing and comfortability and availability of your timings also. So it will be a pocket friendly, yes, because I have seen many of the institutes charging like in lakhs. Even I have been to the institutes and I have given them lakhs. I have seen only 10% result on myself. So I do not wish that your money should be wasted or go wasted after those institutes. And I am not even defaming any of the institutes. I am just here sharing my views, my ample amount of knowledge which I have with myself in my head, which I cannot share by doing just videos on YouTube. So it will be a very nice sessions, a workshop, seminars, or a daily course, which you call it, but it is just gonna be amazing because I have also got many responses from my cabin crew coach, which is there on my Instagram page. I have received so many inquiries on that also, and for that I have started my course, which is a 1 month course with daily 1 to 1.5 hour session in the morning or evening. We can find it out, and the price is also very reasonable. It is only 5,000 per course per month, in which you will be certified by the end of it, because of course you should be facilitated with at least something from my side also apart from the knowledge. Yes, and it's a lifetime experience which you will have with me, because you will of course not enroll for the same class always. So this is just a small token of love from my side, a token of appreciation from my side to you guys, and you will get the whole PPT, the presentation which from which I will be teaching you guys. The PPT, the presentation which I have made, is over 200 slides. Yes guys, I have invested my so much time in this that I really wish, I really want to make you guys feel like I need you guys, my knowledge needs you guys, that I want to give my knowledge to you guys, because I just feel that this is the right time when everyone should be knowing what this field is exactly is, the basic general knowledge. I do not mean an institute doesn't give you a general knowledge, but the kind of knowledge I will be giving you is a class apart from all those, because I will be giving you most of the practical things like customer service skills, your communication skills, how to crack interview tips, the practice sessions, yes, the interview practice sessions, the mock interview practice sessions, the question answer practice sessions. Yes, that is very important, because what kind of questions will be asked, ठीक है, what kind of questions will be asked is very common, but I will be teaching you the reason behind those questions, why they are asking you, the tips on which that you should include in it, and how your answer should be related to the cabin crew or jobs. So I will be giving you the whole answer by keeping these things in my mind, and will also give you some of the exercises for you guys to do it, so that you are mentally prepared that what kind of questions will be asked, what to think from those questions, how to take those steps and keep your answer up to date and so interesting that your answer should be like different from all the other candidates, and your chances of selection can be much higher than that. So yes, this is it, and then we'll have the resume exercise. Yes, the do's, the don'ts, the exercises of the resume, the pattern you should follow. I will be sharing my resume, my personal resume with you guys also. Yes, from which I got selected. I will be sharing those resumes, why I put such points, and the knowledge, the interview steps. Yes, how you go to interview, how your preparation should be done, interview preparation, your outfit recommendations, your makeup, your skin analysis. If you are having any of such issues like hyperpigmentation or dark spots, pimples, the remedies I will be giving you will be so much affordable and so much homemade, so that it is pocket friendly for you guys, because do not wish to waste your money on any of the chemical products or from the chemist. So because I don't use such products on my skin, so why should I recommend those to you guys? This is the simple thing which I believe, that whatever I will use, I will share those with you guys. So yes, the homemade recipes will be given to you, so that you can check out on it, you can have a result on your skin also, and how you should prepare yourself for the interview, what kind of makeup you should be doing, a whole grooming. And yes, one more thing, grooming classes will be in the initial stage, because if the initial stage is being grooming stage, then daily you have to attend a class in full grooming only, so that you can get your hands on your grooming, and I can, like, for 20 days, 25 days, I can observe you, I can make corrections on your grooming. Such things like that can happen in this, such things will be happening in my course, because I will be giving attention to each and every one of you, like from your grooming to your hair to your communication skills. And let me tell you, communication skills is not only speaking in English. Communication skills comes from within, like how you can improve it. Like if I just sit over here and like just talk and talk, you won't find me interesting. But if I just look here and there, I just give some hand gestures, I just smile and talk, this makes a lot of difference in my communication skill. This keeps the other person interested in me. So all those things will be included in my course, like my cabin crew coach. First ever my cabin crew coach will be the how to become a cabin crew. Like all the 15 steps will be included in it, from searching a job till you are flying as a cabin crew. And if you're flying as a cabin crew, then how will be the promotion and how will be the demotion? If you fail the exam, if you pass the exam, how will you even enter this field of aviation? So this will be a thorough guide to teach you, and it will be my utter pleasure to teach you guys, to mentor you guys, or giving my knowledge to you guys for such an amazing workshop. And I'm really excited, and I'm really hoping that you guys also feel this extremely important and knowledgeable for you guys, because of course I will be sharing everything with you guys. I have shot this makeup tutorial for the video itself, like for my course, like in which I will be sharing with you guys how to groom yourself, the basic, the minimum makeup which you need for your grooming sessions. And I will be sharing each and everything in detail with you guys. And so yes, it's a 30 days roller coaster ride, but a smooth ride, because in that you will be gaining a lot of knowledge. The only thing you require is internet, that's it, because everything else will be given to you. The whole PPT will be given to you by the end of the session, like by the end of the course. You will be given the videos which I have made for you guys, like the hairstyle, the grooming, the makeup, how you should dress yourself, the preparation. Like this is the formal top which I have worn, and what kind of accessories you should be carrying with you guys, from the pearl earrings to gold and silver belt, watch. So each and everything will be shared with you guys in detail, like everything from, yes, from the basic aviation abbreviations to the whole lot of what is Boeing aircraft and Airbus aircrafts, the details of the aircrafts, the details of the airlines, the details of the basic aviation knowledge which you should be having before entering this field, and what to look after once you are in this field. So this is really very important if you are wish to join this aviation field. So yes, I have tried to incorporate most of the things which I know and which I have experienced, my flying experience, my aircraft visits, what are actually aircraft visits, and my photos, my drill photos, everything will be shared with you guys in the course itself, because it will be in detail. It's a 30 days course with 200 plus slides. Information is waiting for you, and I have personally made it. I have tried, I have googled, I have researched so many things in my, I have researched like I haven't researched this much in my entire life, because last few weeks I have been totally into my cabin crew course, that what all things I need to include in my course and what can be more beneficial to you guys. And my rates are very bare minimum for this course, and I am giving you ample amount of knowledge in this, and my timing in this, and my efforts to make you feel like this is it, this is what we needed from you, Jinal, this is what your course is actually about. Like, we really like your cabin crew coach, and I want you guys to like my cabin crew coach. And if you do and if you are really interested in this course, and if you're really interested in the aviation field, then go down in the description box and click on the link and go there and follow my YouTube channel. Sorry, what YouTube channel? This is your YouTube channel. Go follow my other page, which is my cabin crew coach. And if you're new over here, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, because I really wish to make such more videos on my channel. And yes, if you want to speak fluently also like me and more confidence, see, English is all about confidence. English doesn't make you more superior or inferior. Okay, the only thing is confidence. What makes you like I am something is your confidence only. If I feel inferior, that oh, I don't know English properly, I am inferior, then I will always be inferior. It will affect my level of confidence, which I don't wish to have. So this applies to you also, and such amount of tips, so many tips I will be giving you in this video, like in the course, of course, not in this video. So I highly appreciate if you guys show your interest in my course and do enroll yourself for it, for the amazing hairstyles which I will be creating, for amazing makeup tutorials I will be sharing in that course, the amazing amount of knowledge I will be sharing in that course. So yes, do consider enrolling yourself with the minimum amount of rupees you can just giving, and you can get a lot of things in return. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And yes, like, share, subscribe to my channel if you are interested for more such videos and for more such information about aviation field. And yes, consider following my both Instagram handles, my cabin crew coach and my personal Jinal Kinarewala, for more such updates.